thank you so much for checking out this video recipe. This is my very first recipe on the Mediterranean diet. And if you haven't already, make sure you check out the video on why I started this diet and why this was voted the best diet overall in 2018. So today I'm going to be making Caprese Stuffed Portobello Mushrooms. So this recipe is kind of heavy on the dairy, so if you try it out, make sure that this is all the dairy that you're going to be eating the whole day. So if you have any questions or comments about this recipe, please leave them down below and stay tuned for the video. Quick tip, when you're taking off the stem to the mushroom cap, try to twist it off first. And if you absolutely can't get that stem off, go ahead and use a knife. But be extra careful or your knife is gonna poke straight through the mushroom cap. Don't ask me how I know, just go with it. So these came out absolutely scrumptious. Come in close, come in close. Yeah, look at all that goodness. Guys, if you want a special treat, try out some of this Pompeian balsamic vinegar and just give your mushroom a little drizzle, not too much. But you know, it really set the flavor off. So, you know, just a couple of squirts there, y'all gonna be in for a real treat. So let's try one, let's try one. Oh yeah. Super good, y'all. Super good. My son giving me a thumbs up. Guys, let me know what you think about this recipe down below. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.